On December 17, the hiking club organized a hike from Machegao to Toudaha, visiting over Champadevi, the eastern summit. After the resident of Goddess, which is the third highest hill around the Kathmandu Valley and is at the height of 2,278 meters. All the hikers gathered inside Deer Walk complex around 6:30 to 7 am. We have had our breakfast and coffee for a quick boost near the college area. The college van departed towards Machegao at 8 am. At the initial phase of the journey, while walking up the hill, the tracks were normal and we were having a normal hike until a quick break for some snacks. Slowly, after walking for a while, we realized that we had lost our tracks but didn't stop our move. The walk was getting more difficult and scary after every step and had to make our own track. We finally reached the top of hill and found the track. We rested there for a while and had a beautiful sightseeing of the entire Kathmandu Valley.
अहिले चाहिँ साँझको 6 बजिसक्यो हाम्रो बिहान करिब 8 बजेदेखि सुरु गरेको हाइक अहिले 6 बजे आएर एन्डिङ हुँदैछ हामी चाहिँ तौदा भन्दा केही माथि छौँ हाम्रो गाडीले तल हामीलाई कुरिरहेको छ जस आजको हाइक चाहिँ एकदम वान अफ द मस्ट होइन इट इज द बेस्ट हाइक भयो कि अनि आजको 2 वर्षसम्मको गएको धेरै हाइकहरूमध्ये यो चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ एकदम मन पर्यो पर्सनली अनि हाम्रो सुरेन्द्र सर अनुसार पनि उहाँको पनि वान अफ द बेस्ट वान अफ द मेमोरेबल हाइक गरे अनि सबजना रमाइलो गऱ्यो 11को भाइहरू थियो दुईजना अनि 20को भाइ बहिनीहरू हामी सबैजना एकदम रमाइलो गऱ्यो जस्ट आजको हाइक एकदम रमाइलो आयो